Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So growing up, I really loved eating Jiffy Cornbread. It's, you know, I can eat it straight from the box as is. You know, you gotta cook it first, but you know what I mean. But for today's video, I'm gonna add some jalapeno and cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit, make it a little bit more exciting and make it even more delicious. So if you want to see what I mean and how I make it, keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I went ahead and I rinsed 2 green jalapeno peppers, and it really depends on how much heat you can stand. You can see that I'm taking out most of the seeds. I mean, I can take some heat, but I can't take too much heat. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop the jalapeno peppers into small little pieces. So I'm done chopping up my jalapenos. I'm going to set this to the side and I'm going to get started on the cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and shred 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. So right now I'm going to take a large bowl and I'm going to mix up the cornbread batter. This is the Jiffy Cornbread box mix. It's been around forever, ever since I've been a little girl, and it's just the best. I love it. So I'm just going to empty out both boxes into this large bowl. So to give it some really great flavor, I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to mix and combine 2 eggs. And now it's time to add the chopped jalapeno peppers, the shredded cheddar cheese, and it is cornbread after all, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of frozen corn. And that's all you need, just really simple. And I have a rubber spatula and I'm just going to fold and mix all of those ingredients together. So I'm going to bake my cornbread in my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to coat it with some nonstick spray. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pour the mixed batter into the pan. So I've already preheated the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake the cornbread off between 20 and 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes of baking in the oven, the cornbread is ready. Doesn't take very long at all, so you just want to let it cool down for a little bit. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and take a knife and cut you a nice big piece. Like I said, I've loved this cornbread since I was a little girl. When you add the sweetness from the Jiffy Cornbread, the heat from the jalapenos, the cheese, and the corn, it just makes this cornbread that much more good. It just kicks it up to a whole other level. And of course, with the holidays just around the corner, this will make the perfect side dish for some of those holiday dinners coming up. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.